What's going on, guys? This is the 2021 Zero FX with a 7.2 battery in it. This is Zero's most off-road model that they sell. Comes with, on this battery pack, about 90 miles in the city for range, 50, 60 miles combined, depends on where you live, where you're gonna use it. It's obviously fully electric, and it's a dirt bike that's just fully street legal. The Zero FX and all Zeros come with a 2-year warranty front to back on any product on the machine. On top of that, they also come with a 5-year warranty on the batteries, and Zero is very, very good about their warranties. They help us out a lot. If you're used to gas bikes, then this is going to be slightly different. All of the balancing mechanisms are the same. You still counter steer, you still use a throttle, you still use brakes. However, there is no clutch, so there is no clutch lever there. And there is also no shifter on the left foot peg there. So those are the two things that you're gonna have that'll be different. This bike also comes equipped with anti-locking brakes standard. That is on the front and the rear wheel. It also comes with an auto limiter, so you can't actually over rev it or do wheelies accidentally. It will stop you from doing that. The front brake is still right here. Rear brake still there, and then throttle is still in the same position. So all of that will be the same. The dash on the Zero FX is actually extremely easy to read and simple. You have battery percentage, and then in the A and B column, these are actually interchangeable between trip meters, RPM, temperature, and some other features. And then if you look on the right, you can see the output and regen. This tells you how much throttle you're giving and then how much regenerative braking you're giving. Obviously, I can't do it in the showroom. Then you also have in the top right the sport mode. When the red triangle is blinking, that means that the bike is not live. If you put the kickstand up and then you put the kill switch down, the green light turns on. Now it is live, so if I twist the throttle, it will go. The charge time for this bike, along with most of the Zeros, can go from 0 to 100% in about 9 hours. It comes equipped with a level 1 charger out of the box, and you can add a quick charging box if you wish. To charge it, you'll simply plug it into a 110 outlet just like your phone, and then you will take this little computer cord looking thing, and it plugs in right here, like so. In summary, this bike comes equipped with ABS, front and rear, adjustable suspension. The tires out of the box come with the Pirelli Scorpions, which are about a 70% on-road, 30% off-road. This bike is extremely capable of going in the woods. It's actually under 300 pounds, about almost 290. Very, very light. And it truly is like a dirt bike setup, from the plastics to the rim sizes to everything, so you can even put more off-road tires on it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions that I didn't answer or any information that I didn't get that you wanted to see, please leave a comment below so we can reply, or give us a call at 860-741-5115 during our normal business hours. Thank you. Do you like electricity? Do you like electricity? Do you like electricity?
I like electricity.
Then look no further than the Zero FX.